like this.
Boom!
At the Best Western Green Bay Inn, it is packed to capacity.
This is just a Packer game. This is the opener of the NFL. This is it. Today's the day. A lot of people around here. The streets are crowded.
There's beer flowing and food going down. It's awesome. Go, Pack, go.
It's a mecca. This is the place to be. The whole world is watching this. This is where the Pack and the old Super Bowl champs, the Saints, are coming together with the opener of a big concert.
This love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye.
We got Kid Rock out here.
My name is Kid.
Lady Antebellum. And we also got Maroon 5 playing. They're jamming and they're having fun.
We are live from Lambeau Field.
I tell you what, we're pretty close to Lambeau. I could hit my driver across the road and hit the stadium from here. You're right in the mecca of everything here. You got all the bars, Anduzzi, the bar.
Right now we're gonna play another song for you. Check this one out.
And we have our smokehouse bar in here. It's a lot of fun. At the Best Western here, we got 140 some rooms. Usually have a couple vacancies. You're gonna want to call ahead. We book months out for Packer games, but there is no other place in Green Bay to be than here at the Best Western.